How to easily enable or disable screen time on iPhone on iOS 26. Tap on Settings button, then scroll up until you see Screen Time, tap on it. Now scroll down to the base until you see this option that says Turn off apps and website activities, tap on it. Now provide your screen time password in the space provided here. Now tap on Turn off apps and website activities. Then you've done that. Now come back to this place again, then locate and tap on this button again to enable it. This button that says website and app activities, tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes up like this. Then tap on turn on this button. Now that is all, guys. You've been able to enable and disable screen time on your iPhone running on iOS 26. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.